The profit that has been achieved from the GeniusBot EA is plus 1066.22%. With an estimated monthly income of 33.34%. Hello trader. Forex trading is now easier by using expert advisors. You only need to run a Forex expert advisor on a VPS. In this video I will share another free expert advisor. If you are a new viewer, you can join this channel by clicking the subscribe button and get other free expert advisors when I upload videos. Also make sure to click the bell button so you don't miss the next update. And for viewers who have subscribed to this channel, I thank you very much for the support. Your support makes me excited to share with other free expert advisors. In this video I will discuss 1. GeniusBot information from the official website and mifxbook.com. I will see other information from the official website. The expert advisor that I will share this time is a GeniusBot. It is said from the official website that GeniusBot trading accuracy can reach 98%, with an average daily profit of 1.5% to 3%. I think the information is not very detailed. For more details I will turn to the mifxbook.com website. Yes, real trading profit information generated is plus 1066.22%, with an estimated monthly income of 33.34%. Trading starts from August 2021 to April 2022, with a total of 511 transactions. The average profit generated is 57.19 pips and the average loss is minus 7.80 pips. The pair that is run here is also quite a lot. You can just see here. From the pair Australian dollar to US dollar, BTC/Euro, BTC/USD, Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar, New Zealand dollar to US dollar to Canadian dollar, and gold. There is also gold ounce per US dollar. And from all pairs the profit rate is from 90% to 100%. Please specify which pair you want to run from this reference. Next, analyze the profit every month. You can see here, the monthly profit is above 25% for 2022. And for 2021 the biggest monthly profit ever reached 51.12% in November. Unfortunately, I can't find drawdown information here. There are 5 GeniusBot information from the mifxbook.com website. The average profit is above 25% as well. This Forex expert advisor works optimally from 2 p.m. to 12 noon, with the highest profit at 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. From this information you can also conclude at what time your expert advisor wants to be set. From the second information on mifxbook.com we get information that the expert advisor will start from the end of January 2022, and get a profit above 25% from February 2022. Okay, for further reference you can watch this video. 2. How GeniusBot works. This Forex robot is grid and martingale based for profit. The system is if the profit has been achieved and other positions will be closed. This robot also does not use short-term trading or scalping. Open positions are opened in the longer term. The order will be added to the basket. In some positions it will be opened with buy stops and sell stops to determine the price gap. Many orders are placed in the same position with the grid and martingale system. This can give you a quick return on investment ROI. Still, if you don't have enough money in your trading account there will be a possibility of losing 100% of your capital. Your lot size and risk value will determine how much profit you can expect to make each month. 3. Parameter details. I will show you the detailed parameters of the GeniusBot. There is a stop sensor setting, trailing stop module mock grid, grids, filter 1 order by candle, caution of equity filters, close-in profit level X, mock 2 grid module, grids, filter 1 order by candle, caution of equity filters, close-in profit level X, moving averages, RSI, visor 1, and max spread filter. The parameters provided here are very complete. Of course, these default parameters are parameters that have been tested by the GeniusBot development team. which has made a profit of plus 1066.22%. But if you want to experiment to increase profits, you can also change the preset. 4. Recommended Capital, Parent Time Frame for GeniusBot. For recommendations for using GeniusBots, with Capital Safe Mode $5,000, $50 for Send accounts. With Normal Mode Capital $3,000, $30 for Send accounts. With Aggressive Mode Capital of $2,000, $20 for Send accounts. And work best on M5, work on any time frame. Okay, you can visit the website in the description to get this Forex Expert Advisor. Don't forget to get used to it before using real money. You learn first on a demo account at least 2 weeks to 1 month. Or until you are sure to switch to real money. If this video is useful for you, you can share this video, so that others can also benefit from it. Also watch other videos about expert advisors. Thank you.